there. Thanks for joining us. It's actually a great time because we're about to make some sweet potato pie. Stay tuned. So I was reading the recipe, and the first thing you gotta do is boil your potatoes. Try to avoid ones that look like this, or not. In the meantime, you can play some Uno.
Now we're going to let the potatoes cool. Now we're going to peel the potato. Here are your ingredients.
Remember, it's really important. Mash it! Don't smash it!
Now we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Celsius. I think that'll do just fine.
Now it's time to fill your pie.
Let your pies cool for about 10 minutes or so, and then they're ready to enjoy.
It's really hot.
Wow, what a tasty fall treat.
That video, tune in tonight
On the Only Sarah Snapchat, where we're gonna make
a cozy southern supper.